her. And I don't know the mom or no one and some of them article to the extent say I didn't say was no say in front of me. Oh what? Man.
Material the beauty. Well when it's sick out major work when also wakasa yepa it's a mess no. Say next time. So wish you nipa the sending no kasa. Na say your dog so. They say, oh, when she was woman in cheer. Mammy, oh, my statement and my near my telling me and Nippon door.
Bastana, you can't break up with me because of this.
I can't break up
because of this blind girl.
Mommy, no, she's being rude here, isn't it? Mommy, she's being rude, isn't it? Hey, what's her friend because of this blind girl? Mommy, she doesn't respect the girl, yeah? Look at her. Mommy, wait a minute, mommy, she the bomb, mommy.
I'm sorry.
You're not sorry for anything. Mommy, she's just a pretender. Look at her. I don't want to see you here again because Miss Stanley had them next minute. Maybe I'll go to jail.
What's that? So, what mistake to tell your patch on? Was it just a brand girl?
I'm tired.
Tired?
Yeah, I'm very tired. Oh, sir. Oh, sir, 4 hours. You think it's easy? I mean, you are not concentrating. Tobeka show me say you are not tired.
I know.
Oh. So, girls, what are you going to eat? Hello. I know you are the Fujian among us. Can you be bro?
I'm not hungry.
What?
A comment to me.
Stop kidding. What will be another? Baby girl.
Girl. She's not herself. Oh.
You look worried. What's it?
What is it?
Babes. And some brain in your costume. I really don't understand. Baby, everything is falling apart.
Like everything.
Yes.
Like what?
Do you know, sir? Prince is not talking to me. How? All because of my blind sister.
What?
My blind sister. Do you know something? On say anytime be a Prince person or Buffy you try say
how did you go to know say you have?
Do I even know? Or you're rich? Just say.
Or you're what?
Rich. Just say. Or you're devil. Devil herself.
Down. Like
can you imagine say you say or fetch water and Oshia Prince, me knew dear Prince no. That time what she Oshia Prince na Prince dinner chia to our house. Okore if you no ma.
You are doomed.
Na.
Child, this story is not clear here. My auntie your man say
like
oko send so e na oye den okoshia no okwem na da bi okoshia no wo hinfa.
Me nim de na Prince koye. I don't know na me nim de okoye.
Relax.
And I okoshia no de ni ko fie. So mo ko fie na me father so a bar out. No be tan say ofri here. Me father claim say oye ne daughter. Like oni ye ne tifi ho wacheche bi. But Prince bisa me no at first na was denying because me meaning say obi na bia waka bibia che no say me father na nkasa aka treat naturally say oye biological daughter to him. Say my coming in same bia my ye me bibia Prince is not forgiving me. I don't know what you do.
Sila, you know what?
Hi.
I don't know what you
Take a chill pill. Listen. Relax. Get something to eat. I think we have to plan something and then talk to you so that you go and talk to him, because this one, and it's not easy as we see it. We don't want you to lose this guy.
So just relax.
Listen, baby. So
there is a lot you can do to him. He's a man.
You guys can help me.
Help him? In what way?
Listen, on say offer mukaka. Would you try my best?
We know that.
Offer mukaka. Like okra de offer okra. And say come. Me say mubwame. Like na money ni kukasa mami. Maybe he will forgive me.
I mean, I think you can arrange for us to meet him and then sit somewhere and talk. Oh, Ifya, what do you think?
That is what I'm talking about.
No, why do you have to involve us in the first
Ifya, she's your friend.
Yeah, I know she's my friend, but it's a relationship.
I've come to realize something about you. You are selfish.
Selfish,
anything that includes Beyonce, you don't want to be part. What is that?
No. Dabi, first Anthony Trimo, but say
that's what you are doing. That's what you are doing.
Okay,
I
fine,
dislike
fine.
that thing about you.
That would have trouble. Okay, fine.
Meaning say you guys here, you're not going to betray me.
Of course. Baby girl, listen. Arrange for us to meet the guy. That's all.
Thank you. Okay. Baby. Thank you, because I am not well.
Girlfriend, just cheer up, eh? When you're Simbia, was say
you just sit about it and talk about
that.
Yeah. Why? Let me give you his number.
His number?
Yes.
Beyonce, no.
Jenny and friend, no.
No, hell no. If you are friends of today, enemies tomorrow, please. Let her arrange for us to meet.
Okay.
I mean to meet your boyfriend number and go my phone. So I mean, for what reason? Baby, you know I will support you.
Are you not going to help me?
No, we are going to help you.
Ain't the number because me or who many man.
Relax, why you're frustrated? Everything will be fine, okay?
Ifya, I will do everything for Beyonce. Stana, like you've been moody ever since we came here.
Yeah.
Listen, like we know, say Beyonce I mean here, but then I also believe say. And any place will be trying to what I say. Sometimes when circumstances go on ma, a boy was so trying to even Bible mukrampuno. It got to some point he also be trying to she is sorry and see
why so they take it easy.
See.
They make
okay, talk, I'm listening to you.
So they make messages kind of so circumstances be on ma. I was say
you got to lie because in the be now bet me I can't me I strongly believe say now go back can at the right time. She is sorry.
Because you are a woman, so definitely you're gonna back her, innit?
We are not backing her. Listen, we
understand
the circumstance. That is why I'm saying say she is sorry. See. Listen, it's not gonna happen again. Beyonce of all people, like she's crying, she's sad. She can't even eat.
So just be in my shoes and feel my pains, man. That's what I said. I'm even a good person, say I'm more friend in Pomai than Maba because I feel say we the same people, yeah?
Mr. Stanner, we understand
there
you.
There is a saying will be said.
Yes, but yes, sir, and for we say so say because of that it's no bad betrayal done for Naso. She didn't mean it.
Oh sir, on to my say. Look at Obama and what she said about Bewari.
We know.
Now all of a sudden, I deal we have the boomer. What do you expect me to do? Yeah? Say even though no Sebi, say ya any wo busum, and so what? Sebi only mo be busum. Huh? To the extent say, oh what me bisa no at least no just tell me say oh maybe kwan ebia oh my near be baby.
Please,
but yeah no man is hungry here, man.
Take this phone.
Man is angry here.
Take this phone.
For what?
Take it.
Vansha.
Alaji.
Why Vansha? Me feel we near. Me need jisa. Me who nishe.
Me say who na me ni aji o.
Wallahi.
You wa usi friend me kwa fansa. Me need jisa. Say me ni wasi sana mami.
Why Vansha?
Alaji.
Wow wo sha me ya awure. Why amalia? Tuo zafi. Me ba wundi tuo zafi.
O me dide. Me say na me pe o.
Why all details that fit?
The pa.
Why you need me treat you my what talk aquam?
Ay, the pamedi.
Vansha. What kasha akwambo ho?
Alaji, on say. Na dana me catch us say. Mrs. Yano. I said, Metifi Sano, Mempe. Oh, Tinanka me say, Wadawo Mau. Pesanka me a Jumaka can't come, Missika Kana, me fanada, me who said the bay. I say, Oko pass Massa Womaya. Na miniska. Miniska that to be dinamedia, me honey marketing kitty. They say, I'll be on media away home combo, and yet the Biana or say, oh, Mamiska. Who are me or some to me boa kaka, Timem, Bibika Kananka. Me fan started be na me fanye Juma said ye beya. So Oko pass no yambaya, Miss Miniska, na media to be beady. And no one na miss me no one come on.
Only care ye in you and Gabo. Vansha. Wapashe wako baragatanga. Wafa baragaka waha waduru baraga. Abachina china anya tangaka. Shika dia open anya problem. Wa winyem se abashika kwa dia wo me anya problem mame. Now to Vansha. Shika dia ope bia na me alaji afianga wallahi na rinse na yambaki matume mamao.
Minim so betu ma mintina me so make a chon.
Namum yan Islam so. Anema bi ho numa atia.
Ebi ni de he.
Ahyehye mfikyire abadam akọ Islam so no ay haram kai Muhammad wampesha Vansha meka kire wo hye fami kofi minko hunu o maame ne wa papa maka afi afa ene she achina she Vansha apa ademe kofi enne anna ya shikadia opebiara medeba mawo
Alanji
throw it away. Tobo born, I like Tobo dying.
Me Tobo bana bed.
Chrissy, do you want to tell me saying one year boneda? Obia ye bonne wa form. I mean, sometimes they have form.
See me.
Me person on phone in board dying.
No, I bibi to say, open what the I did.
Exactly.
Yeah, because me to some say, open what the I did. When you say, was say, because of boyfriend, you know. Ubechina so na se
dear se oba me se me ne be worry you na ye nya worry mpohwe se oye we na after the wedding no ask yourself say how is she going to behave? Yeah, let's be right here man, because say we and friends ti ade ne no kwenti munti me kan try no
because of
no
listen we are being real with you akwesi nti wonya bone what's my problem?
You girls are talking too much. Please.
Hey.
No, please. I got no time for you girls, man.
Stana.
No, please. I don't respect you guys. Anything I'm offering, anything I'm buy, yeah?
Stana, and baby, do you not your patch on my wall?
Stana, what you fire so?
What's this? I said, I'm going to be a madam for the one can be being chairman. And try not deep in a more right? Man, you better talk to her. One country and say, on sure they will be see a kind of cry, man.
Beyonce so jebo. Oh jebo. No cry kan ye sen. Asem we who can no question na. Senka bibia to atwa.
It's not easy as you say it.
Na yare for me busuema.
Listen.
What's wrong about that?
Have you forgotten the position of Stana? Or if you so fear him fear.
That means
he's a prince. No. Want me worry or be a yare for when you fear. And that's what I'm saying. So sometimes you got to lie to save situations. Fine, say I will try and try. It is
say yare for busuema. Want me worry.
But me, I believe say Anka. Beyonce dog guy and Uncle son can create beyond channel. Every a guy knows so bad don't know why they protect.
And I see no one can channel. Tino.
So are you happy?
No, I'm not happy. But man, me dem abe come in yam some.
Listen, I want us to continue talking to Stan. I believe say one of these days.
No, I'm not talking to him again.
Osa, why are you doing this? Osa,
no embarrassment or embarrassment.
Me at you know that.
Oh, come on.
Really?